Welcome to Hudson Financial Partners. Today, we'll show you how to pass more of your super to loved ones, and less to the tax office. It's called the superannuation recontribution strategy. When you leave your super to adult children, they could pay up to 15% tax on the taxable portion of your balance. That could mean tens of thousands lost in tax. Super is made up of taxable component, includes concessional contributions and earnings. Tax-free component, made up of non-concessional, after-tax, contributions. Only the taxable portion is taxed on death if left to non-dependent beneficiaries. The recontribution strategy reduces tax for your beneficiaries. Here's how it works. Step 1. Withdraw a lump sum from super. Step 2. Recontribute it as a non-concessional contribution. This increases your tax-free component. Let's look at a simple example. John is 68 and retired. His super is $600,000, $450,000 taxable, $150,000 tax-free. If John passes away today, his adult children may pay $67,500 in tax, 15% of $450,000. That's a big loss to their inheritance. Instead, John withdraws $300,000. He recontributes it as a non-concessional contribution. Now, his tax-free component increases to $450,000. Estimated tax paid by children drops to $22,500. Tax savings, $45,000. So, who can use this strategy? You must be under 75. Must meet a condition of release, like retirement. Total super balance must be under $1.9 million. Contribution cap, $120,000 per year or $360,000 using bring forward rule. There are many benefits of recontribution, including less tax paid by non-dependent beneficiaries, more control over your legacy, possible Centrelink and age pension benefits. Risks to consider include impact on Centrelink benefits, requires cash to withdraw and recontribute, needs professional advice and timing. This strategy helps you maximize your legacy and leave more to the people who matter most. With expert advice, it can make a real difference. Talk to your Hudson advisor to see if this strategy suits your circumstances. Hudson Financial Partners, trusted advice since 1992.